Type 1 graph. Use of graph bolo. Yes. What is the use of presenting some information in form of a graph? Bolo beta. That is what a graph is. Question is, what is the advantage? What is the advantage? The advantage is, by just having a look at the graph, you can analyze the given information within no time. Like score, cricket score, why do they present in the form of a graph? They can give you a table also, over number 1, so much, over number 2, so much, over number 3, so many runs, say. They can give you the 20 over information in the form of a table also, because when the information is given in form of a graph, it is easy to interpret, easy to understand, easy to conclude. That is the use of graph. That is why in many scientific work, engineering work, you have ECG. That is also in form of a graph. That is also graph. So that means a graph gives you information in a better way than the normal format, tabular form. 1. Type 1 is y is equal to constant. लिखना नहीं किसी ने, समझो पहले. Y is equal to constant. Example 1. Price of a pen, 5, 10, 15, 20. Time, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. You can mark any time as a reference. 4 hour. So the process is that you visit a shop, ask for the price of a pen. When you enter, that is 0 hour, and the answer is rupees 20. T is equal to 0 te jaake puchha shop pe, what is the price of the pen? Says rupees 20. Fine. Again, after 1 hour, you move and come out with the same question, what is the price? He says 20 rupees. 2 hours, he says 20 rupees. 3 hours, he says 20 rupees. 4th hour, he says 20 rupees. This graph is price is equal to 20 rupees. It does not depend on time. And the shopkeeper may answer you कि जो मर्जी आ जा, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, the price remains same. Throughout the day, it is same. Nothing to worry. So if the price remains the same, 20 rupees, then it is plotted. If I write price as y, then y is equal to 20. It does not depend on x. This graph is a one type of graph where the price remains a constant. This is one example. 2. Temperature, room temperature, say 27 degrees C or 300 Kelvin. 0 degree C कितना होता है Kelvin? 273. Exact था 273.15, but for all numericals we will take it as 273. So it is 273 plus 30, 27. It is what? Temperature as a function of time. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 100 Kelvin, 200 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin. So there is a controlled temperature. Room is maintained at a temperature of 27 degree. So 300 Kelvin. After 1 hour, 300 Kelvin, 2 hour, 300 Kelvin, 3 hour, 200 Kelvin. the temperature, you maintain this temperature at 300 Kelvin. So this graph, if I treat temperature as y is equal to 300, it does not depend on time, or if you mark this axis as x-axis, then it doesn't depend on x. ये किस तरह चाहिए? This particular temperature may be in a semiconductor manufacturing lab where chip manufacturing takes place. You maintain a fixed temperature. It is condition, required condition. If you vary the temperature, the quality suffers. That is why you need to maintain it at a constant value. So this is a format, y is equal to constant graph. You will encounter this number of times in next 2 years. कई बार आऊगा ग्राफ है. Time with you is 4 minutes. 4 minutes to write. फिर तो सुन लो. We are covering type 1 graph. Y is equal to constant. Price of a pen is 20 rupees. 0 hour जाके पता किता 20 rupees. After 1 hour, the price is 20 rupees. After 2 hours, price is again 20 rupees. 3 hours, price is 20 rupees. So you go any time throughout the day, the price is same. So for the same graph, if I ask you another question, what is the change in price? Over change in time. To take any point from this point 1 hour to 2 hour, what is the change in price? Delta P, change in price over delta T. Its value is, change in price is 0. Final price is 20 rupees, initial price is also 20 rupees. But what is the change in time? Final time is 2 hours minus initial time is 1 hour. So this is 2 hour minus 1 hour. 0 by 1 hour is what? 0. 0 rupees per hour. So we will use this change in price divided by change in time is equal to 0 rupees per hour. This one, flat part, slope, slide in a park. Have you seen a slide of this type in a park? Because a slide नहीं है, it's a bench है. if you increase the slope, fine, speed will increase, बच्चा ऊपर बैठेगा, as the kid slides down the speed will keep on increasing. If you further increase it, further increase it, further increase it, that is what you call as a slope. Have you seen a slide of this type? Extreme case है, wall है ता, it is a free fall. Even देखा तुसी, even देखा, that means slide is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So there is a question of slope. This has a 0 slope and this has a maximum slope. So this graph is flat, it's a slope. This term is known as slope. Delta P by delta T is termed as a slope. So if you say slope of this graph, whether you find it delta P by delta T or slope, this is termed as slope, is 0 rupees per hour. 2 minutes to complete. Minutes to complete. In mathematics, finding the slope is termed as a differentiation. Slope delta P by delta T, 0 rupees per hour. Slope is 0 rupees per hour. It is termed as a differentiation and is written as, if this delta T is small, for you people I am taking it 1 hour, but if it is small, that is when this delta T is small. Mathematics, if you go through it, it appears very complex, but nothing to worry about. I will write dP by dt equal to 0 rupees per hour. In mathematics, this delta P, delta T, if this value is small, it is written as a dP, not a delta P. Delta P can be anything, final minus initial, final time minus initial time, delta T. But dt means a very, very small time. Why? With the time pata lag jayega. So slope is how much? 0 rupees per hour. Delta P by delta T is 0 rupees per hour. We are concerned with this part only. If I introduce at this stage dP by dt, in mathematics, we write this as differentiation. Slope find out karna is termed as differentiation. So differentiation is nothing but slope. This is type 1. Type 2. Type 2 is y is equal to mx of this type. Example. समझ लो पहले, कोई गल नहीं, फिर लिख लेना. I give you sufficient time to write, ऐसा करके घबराओ ना. Y is equal to mx. One example is bill, or total bill is equal to Say potatoes are available at 2 rupees per kg. If it is 2 rupees a kg, then mass, I will write along x-axis. I want to buy 1 kg. Any idea? What about the bill? Yes. Potatoes are 2 rupees per kg. If I purchase 0 kg, then how much do you pay? 0. तुझे देखा तुझे देख तुझे quality is not good. Leave it. How much money do you pay? 0. So 0 है 0 आ जाएगा. But in case you buy 1 kg, how much money do you pay? 2 rupees. If you buy 2 kg, 4 rupees. If you buy 3 kg, 4. So let us plot the graph. If you plot the graph, 0, 0. If you buy 1 kg, bill is 2 rupees. If you buy 2 kg, it is 4 rupees. If it is 3, it is 6 rupees. चेक कर लेना प्लीज, मैं तो देख नहीं सकता, आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू दिस. 4 का कितना बन जाएगा? 8. एम आई राइट? 3 थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो गया. आई विल रीड्रॉ इट. Yes, if it is 2 rupees, 2 kg, 4 rupees. If it is 3, 6. If it is 4, 8. So the bill comes out to be what? Can you write some relationship? Bill is equal to 2 rupees per kg into mass in a kilogram. Agreed or not? So the formula is bill is equal to 2 times m. If bill is along this, mass is along x-axis, then B is equal to 2m. Bill is equal to 2 times mass. Mass is 1 kg, 2 into 1, 2 rupees. 2 kg, 4 rupees. 3 kg, 6 rupees, and 4 kg, 8 rupees. Again, the issue is same. Once you solve this part, then in every question I will ask the same. Delta V by delta M means what? Change in mass at any stage. For example, here, change in bill is how much? What was the bill here? 4 rupees. What is the bill here? 2 rupees. So what is the change? 2 rupees. This is 2 kg, this is 1 kg. So it is what? 1 kg. So it is change in bill is 2 rupees. Bill is equal to 2 times mass. If it is 1 kg, bill is 2 rupees. If it is 2 kg, bill is 4 rupees. Change in bill is 2 rupees. Change in mass is 1 kg, so it is 2 rupees per kg. For the blue part, yes, what is the price? 3 rupees per kg. For 1 kg, it is 3 rupees. For 2 kg, it is 6 rupees. For 3 kg, it is 9 rupees. So slope gives you what? Rate. ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਭਾਅ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. Can you find the value of tangent theta? Comes out to what? Yes? Value, numerical value for, yes, value for the same is slope means tangent theta. How? Tangent theta is equal to this value y divided by this value x. If this is y, this is x. Tangent theta is y by x. In this case, this value is 8, this value is 4, it is 8 by 4. Tangent theta in this case is 8 by 4 is also 2 rupees per kg. That means we are talking about the same thing. Slope or tangent theta or dV by dm. That means conclusion is whether you write slope or you write tangent theta or you write dy by dx, all means same. Now, again the issue is same. We have to design a slide. You have to design a slide in a park. This is position 1. है कोई thrill है? बोलो, do you call this a slide? You call this as a bench. Agreed or not? This is one case. So you change it by 10 degree. Only 10 degree. Still, you may call this as a slide, but the kid may not enjoy it. Reason is, the kid will have to push oneself to move down. अपने आप तो नीचे ही नहीं आ रहा. थोड़ा जो और ऊपर कर देना. 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree. At around 45 degree, it is moving at its own. That means this angle is the minimum angle of design in a for a slide in a park. If you design at an angle less than 45 degrees, say for this case, then the kid will have to push oneself to move down. Which कोई thrill नहीं है. So that means the angle is between 45. What about this one? It will be on a higher side. Thrill is too much. Fine, it is free fall, and in case it is height say few meters, then it will definitely lead to injury. So here whatever numerical you are solving, designing a slide in a park, this is what we want to study, the slope. Agreed or not? Slope is 0. Slope is, if angle is 10, tan 10 degree. If angle is 20, tan 20 degree. If angle is 30 degree, tangent 30 degree. So that means slope means a tangent theta. So what we have studied today is nothing. Whatever was a tangent theta in school, now we will term that as a slope, tangent theta, or a new word for something known to you, differentiation. Time with you is 2 minutes. Pen down this discussion in your words. Third type, type 3. Third type of graph is y is equal to mx plus c. This type of graph some of the stores put a condition that the moment you enter, you will have to pick one polythene bag, and the bag costs you, say, 5 rupees. So the moment you enter, you take a bag, and what is the cost of the bag? 5 rupees. Now, again, we have to go through a process. Let me say it is 6 rupees because it is easy to market, that is why. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, you have to buy the same product, potatoes 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg. So what you have on this side is mass, and what you have is on this side is bill. So step 1, that the moment a person enters, the person is supposed to take a bag. How much it was? पहले 5 सी फिर चेंज करता थी कितना 6 rupees. Fine, कोई गल नहीं. So the price is 6 rupees. So the person enters, takes the bag, and suppose comes out without purchasing anything. The bag is not returnable. That means the money is not refundable. What is the bill? And this is applicable in number of cases. For example, in number of restaurants in India, abroad, the charges are, say, $1 per hour. You move to a restaurant, be there, stay there for an hour, don't order anything, coffee, nothing, and you pay $1. Why? The owner says, see, where you are sitting, that place is owned by me, I pay a rent for that. I pay air conditioning charges for that. So it is not free for you. That is why you need to pay, because they are very organized, very systematic. In the Indian system, they will wait for 10-15 minutes, then the waiter will come, sir, what do you want to have? आके पूछने लग जाता ना बारी बारी हो, तो मैंने पूछना चाहिए था. Again the fellow will come after 10 minutes and may after a few minutes say, if you don't want to have anything, please leave. And in the rest of the world, advanced world, it is clear. In case you don't want to have anything, we don't have any problem. You pay $1 per hour, $10 per hour, you pay the charges. This is the parking charges. You park yourself and you pay the charges for that. Getting what I'm saying? So, bill is, in case you don't buy anything, how much? 0. In case you buy 1 kg, then 6 rupees for the bag plus 1 kg potatoes, total bill will come out to be 8 rupees. 2 kg, then the bill comes out to be 10 kg, 4 rupees for potatoes and 6 rupees for the bag. In case you buy 3 kg, 12. So, bill is equal to mass x in this case is mass, sorry. I need not write in this form, temporarily forgot about this part. See, 2 rupees per kg into mass in kilograms plus 6 rupees. Is this formula workable? No purchase, mass is 0 kg. Please, this m is different, this m is different. So, Mass is 0 kg, bill is 6 rupees. Mass is 1 kg, bill is 8 rupees. Mass is 2 kg, bill is 10 rupees. So bill is equal to 2 times mass plus 6. Again the question is same. What is the rate? What is the rate of potatoes in case you want to find out from this side? Change in bill over change in mass. Apply it anywhere. Apply it here. Change in bill is how much? 8 rupees minus 6 rupees, 2 rupees. Change in mass is how much? 1 kg. Apply it at this point. Bill is 12, at this point bill is 10, 2 rupees. This mass is 3 kg, this mass is 2 kg, this is 1 kg. In both the cases, delta B by delta M, change in bill by change in mass continues to be 2 rupees per kg. We call this as slope, tangent theta, or dV by dm. All this means same rate, 2 rupees per kg. Question. In the previous question, it was here. In this case, it is shifted, say, from this position to this position. In both the cases, the slope remains same. Slope of these two slides, slide number 1, slide number 2, slope remains same. But effective rate, or you can say the actual rate to the person is, जो 1 kg परचेज करेगा उनका प्रॉब्लम होगी, वो तो बिल कितना है? यस, 8 rupees. Why? The fellow has paid for the bag also. पुराना कस्टमर जो पहले वाला से, किसी का खुद लेके आंदा सी बैग. Agreed or not? You have this option to take your bag. अपना बैग लेके आओ. हिमाचल है, polythene is not allowed, so you take your bag. That was the case when polythene was not invented. I will say, I witnessed that era. Then we used to have our own bag. So in this case, for a person who is buying 1 kg, 8 rupees, 2 kg, 10, 5 rupees per kg, effective rate. 3 kg wala, yes, 3 kg, yes, 12, 4 rupees per kg, effective rate. Decrease क्यों कर रहा है? Anyone? Because the bag price remains constant. 1. School days. School teacher promote करते हैं. Picnic plan कर लिया? They will promote. एक बच्चे ने कहने नहीं, you should go there, you will enjoy this that. कहते नहीं? करते कि नहीं करते? Why? Because bus owner has given you a fixed charge. Then there is a charge per person. Eatables किस तरह होंगे? Per person. What about the bus? वो तो fixed charges है ना, 1000 rupees. अगर एक बच्चा गया था, and 10 teachers, they are free. उन्होंने तो कोई charge नहीं करता. So effective cost will come out to be high. That is why they promote that if there are more students in the same bus, then that travel cost per person will come out to be less. This is why they promote. We term this as a fixed cost. So there are two components. C, that means there is a fixed cost. And which fixed cost can you see below? 6 rupees. So if the number of persons increase, fixed cost per person will keep on decreasing. पता लग गया क्यों प्रमोट करते हैं टीचर पिकनिक वास्ते? Time with you is 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Y is equal to mx plus c. type y is equal to 1 by x. Because numerical values won't help, that is why I will just quote an example. That we want to plot a graph, then I will plot it like this in terms of x and y. Say 10 by x. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? 10 by 1, yes, 10. If it is 2, if it is 5, if it is 10, plot it. X varies from, yes, 1 to 10. Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do it. Plot y-x graph. When x is 1, y is 10. X is 1, y is 10. X is 2, y is 5. X is 5, y is 2. X is 10, y is 1. This is the graph. This is known as inversely proportional. As x increases, y decreases. Working of a vehicle, say. What about its output quality? As the use increases, aging hunda na, vehicle di bhi aging hundi hai na. So, as time increases, the price of the car decreases. Second hand car, 1 year old, some price, 2 year old, 4 year old, sorry, price will be less, 6 year old. As time increases, the price decreases. So, you observe it in number of cases. As an example from your syllabus, I have written one formula, lambda is equal to h by mv. Yaad hai? If you plot lambda as a function of p, graph form is what? Lambda is y, h is what? Constant. What is constant? Planck's constant. H is Planck's constant. So, lambda is equal to h by p. H is Planck's constant. If you plot a graph lambda and p, it is of the same form. Y is equal to 1 by x. Some constant by x, same type. What about the slope of the graph? Anyone? Slope. Here we cannot answer because we have not covered differentiation. It is at this point slope is high. As you move down, slope decreases. So slope is different at different points. Slope is not same. Slope S case the same, but in this case, see this graph, slope is very high. Slope value keeps on decreasing. Suppose here it is flat, then slope is 0. Suppose it is flat, it is not. 2 minutes to write this. 2 minutes to write. Question number 41, lambda p graph. Question number 41. AIPMT, Sunday वाला पेपर है. Question is, which of the following figure represent the variation of particle momentum and wavelength, de Broglie wavelength? Formula is lambda is equal to h by p. As p increases, lambda given है. Second choice, graph given है. 70% of the questions you can answer if you are through the class work. That is why multiple choice questions are not different questions. It is the same story. Next, type 5, last type, y is equal to x square. First I will write the mathematical one. It's type 5. Y is equal to x square. When you have to draw a graph, we will quote examples, but let's take up the mathematical part first. Step 1 is to draw a table x, y. When x is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1, 2, 3, 9. One, two, three. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Plot the graph. Yes, x0 y, x1 है y 1, x2 y, x3 then y, so yx graph, this is termed as parabola. Y is equal to x square. The type is parabola. We'll repeat it number of times. What about the slope? Yes, anyone? Remains constant or varies? Varies. Finding the slope at any point. Slope at this. Just see this part, right? Slope is less, slope is more, slope is very high. So that means as you move up, the slope increases. Equivalent is. A utensil, bowl, insect, cockroach. At this point, it is flat, horizontal, comfortable, alive. Okay? And as the cockroach moves up, slope increases. So slope at this point has increased, say 1. slope at this point will be 2, slope at this point will be 3. So slope keeps on increasing. IIT the question है, at what point the cockroach will start slipping downwards? करांगे, चैप्टर आएगा गल करांगे. Do you agree? कहे तो स्लिप करूँगा कि नहीं? Friction, weight, number of forces will account for. This is termed as parabola. Y is equal to, I have taken into account only the right side. If you take into account the left side, if x is equal to minus 1, if x is equal to minus 1, yes, 1, minus 2, minus 3, so you get the same graph on this side also. We say it's a parabola symmetrical about y axis. See, whatever you have on this, same is on the left side. A parabola symmetrical about y axis. लिख लो. Draw it.